Winnipeg, Manitoba.
Oh, a little bit colder than here.
Oh yeah, this is nothing. I can walk around with no jacket here. Yes.
Oh my goodness.
We've had minus 40, minus 50, you name it.
Wow, my goodness, crazy.
Yeah. So yeah, it's cold weather. I'm used to cold weather.
Wow.
This elevator. Oh, there goes my ears again.
Yes. It's like you're in the airplane. It's
Yeah,
the
same thing.
Yeah,
This
same
is
thing.
fast though.
At 22 kilometers per hour.
That's how fast this elevator is? Holy smokes.
We are going to reach the ground floor level.
Yeah.
And at this level, you can enjoy the cafe, the gift shop.
Yeah.
The gift shop is really good. Honestly.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
I got the city pass, so I got a few more places I have to be.
Oh yeah, you have
The
to
aquarium's
go-
right over there,
Oh
eh?
my, so pretty.
Yeah.
I recommend it, honestly. Yeah.
I'll need to. I'm going to the game tonight, so I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. I want a lot of time to spend, right?
Oh yes, you're right. Thank you so much for visiting us today. Enjoy
Okay.
the rest of the day. Watch out your step and your exit, and it's going to be here to the right.
Okay, thanks.